Hey guys, Jim Pope with Worldwide Auctioneers. Looking forward to seeing you January 26, 2024 at our big worldwide auction in Scottsdale, Arizona. A special car I want to draw attention to is the 1965 Corvette Fuelie. Last year of the fuel injection, this car has unbelievable pedigree, unbelievable documentation. It literally is over 5 inches thick. It's amazing how much documentation and how much restoration has been into this car. It is matching front to back, top to bottom. Steering, brakes, really an amazing 4-speed transmission that's in this car. Just makes it drive perfectly down the road. The fuel injection unit is matching to the car, as is the motors matching to the car. Again, highest horsepower car available that year. Any collection would be incomplete without a 1965 Fuelie Corvette. So take a close look at that car, look at the overall condition. I'll say it again, documentation that we have is just outstanding for really a blue chip stock car. See you January 26, 2024.